and to make sales. Now, when we talk about three canvases, a lot of people thinking that you need anything more than that, and that you need more to get started. You don't, and then you get burnt out before you even start. So people give themselves an excuse to not even start because you're thinking that you need to do so much more and you need to have a volume, and you don't. When I first started off with eBay, look, I was a gallery artist. I had a bunch of artwork that was already available. I was blessed enough to have a storage so I could get rid of art. But I was only starting off doing three canvases a day. And that was artwork that I've already created. And I was just listing it that way. I always tell people all the time, I rather you do 3 to 4 canvases a day and be consistent with that than you show up because you're inspired one day or you had a strong cup of coffee and then you did 20 canvases, but then the day after you do 1, you do 2, or you don't show up at all, but you're like, oh, but I had a strong Monday. Yeah, you had a strong Monday, but you weren't consistent. It only takes 3 canvases a day for the algorithm to get familiar with you. For anyone in here who doesn't understand how ads are run when it comes to marketing, eBay, especially Facebook, or when it comes to digital marketing, when you spend money on the marketing, the algorithm AI, they have to understand what your routine is. They have to learn it. It's called the learning phase. And let it learn who you are. Start small. Let it learn that you're consistent with the 3, and it will give you strong 3 buyers who are good buyers and will buy from you. Just start with those 3. Then with marketing, people will tell you, if you get on a contact with a senior person like with Facebook or something like that, when it comes to the money and marketing, they'll say, once you see like 2 weeks later that the system understands who you are and that you've been consistent with that, then it's time to scale up. Then it's time to do a 20% scale. Don't scale up to which your don't scale up to where you think that you want your potential to go. Scale up just 20% because I'd rather you be consistent. It only takes 3 canvases. When I started off, this is how I was doing it. It got to a point where I was only doing 6 canvases a day after my first year. And I thought that that was a lot and I couldn't do more than that. But I was still able to make money because I was being consistent by just focusing on those strong pieces. There was times where I messed money up by going too fast, thinking that I wanted to scale up too fast. And then the algorithms got to relearn me again. So then what happens is it kind of breaks the structure of what I built, the data. So if you have 3 canvases, you have 1 canvas that could be your best seller. The one that you already know, it kind of proves, you know, it sells and you could just paint it again. It could be like a piece, like I call it your Mona Lisa, because you're starting off, but it's something that maybe you spent 20 minutes, an hour for, or maybe it's something that you're blessed that you already had in your house or your studio and you could put it out there. Then your canvas 2 could be the variation. It could be something that you're not into, but maybe the market is into. If you're not already a part of the community, I have a list of the top selling themes already of the SEO, which is the search engine optimization, on things that are the most popular in there. Cats, dogs, whatever the themes are, there's a list of them in there that you could follow. That's the variation. It doesn't matter if you're not into the cat or dog or the landscape. Before I started doing eBay, I wasn't painting cats, dogs, and landscapes, but then I started getting into it once I understood that the variation was there and the money was there. Then you have Canvas 3 as your experiment, which is something that you actually gain a reference from either how we pull it up off of AI reference, or Pinterest, or something of that you find that's something completely different. You can grab it from there, and then that's your day right there. At least you have your 3 variations, and you're going after the collectors. But as long as you're being consistent and you can do that, just say to yourself that you're going to do that 6 days out of the week. Just say that you're going to start off doing that, and you will be getting your $50 to $100 a day. Okay. Everybody makes sales. You will be able to get $50 to $100 a day. So if you do the math off of that, I mean, what you're already talking for that week, then that you've made yourself the $250 to $300. What can you do with an extra $300 for the week? There's plenty of things that you could do. Multiply that by the month. You're already making the $1,000 to $1,200 just by focusing on the small steps. Let the system learn that you're doing the small steps and you're being consistent with those. The problem how people don't become consistent is because you were trying to run before you could walk. Don't run yet. Just crawl. Be consistent with the crawl and you'll have the build up. Focus on the $50 a day. If you focus on the $50 a day, then think about it. It all compounds at the end of the month. So if you're doing $50 a day, and let's just say that you're doing that either 5 days a week or 6 days out of the week, right? Then you got $250 to $300 by the end of the week. That compounds if you do that consistently for that month, and that's just you starting off. This is how you build up and you scale your business up. A lot of times people are missing opportunities because you're trying to scale too fast. And you're trying to do out the gate the 20 or the 30. There's nothing wrong with that, but be in a mindset where you can consistently do that and you're just not always changing it up. When it comes to marketing or when it comes to sales, the worst thing that I can do for myself, the thing that will always help me, the thing that's going to destroy my business is if I'm running a program or a campaign and then in the middle of the campaign, while it's still learning me, the algorithm is I change something. A lot of times I see that in the community or even outside the community where people change stuff all the time. If you're constantly changing stuff, then the algorithm is not going to get a chance to understand your consistency and it's not getting a chance to give you the proper buyers. eBay is a multi-billion-dollar corporation because they use the same type of AI that Google and Facebook use. I went to these conferences, all right? I went to these conferences to learn how the system is coded inside. So that's why I'm telling you the game, the biggest thing is consistency. But the biggest thing when I'm talking about consistency, what I guess I miss out on and telling you is that you have to be consistent not to change stuff. Don't go back into the campaign and you want to change the pricing all the time. You want to change the numbers all the time. Because then the system's like, you're still a new person, but who are you? We don't know if you're a degenerate. We don't know if you're actually not shipping stuff or if it's real. We don't know what's going on. So it's important for the system to just understand who you are and to make sure that you're being consistent. Those are the most important things that I always talk about in the system. This is the only business where you don't need money to invest in your business. You don't need money to invest in eBay. The very minimum is $100, $120. But if you're doing 3 canvases for 6 days, right? Then you're already talking about doing like 18 listings. If you do that if you do that for 4 weeks, then you're already talking about like 70 listings per month. Now, let's just say if you only sell 20% of those, because that's how I like to think, where not maybe everything's going to get sold because the system has to learn you. If you're selling only 20% of those, 60 listings with 12 swells a month, I mean, you're still averaging where you're going to be getting $500 a month then. What could you do with an extra $500 a month just by you starting small? There's no part-time job that's going to do that for you. And that's just by you selling from eBay, selling from home. As long as you're working in small increments and you're starting small and you're having letting the system understand, you're just doing the 3 canvases. That is what's going to work for you. That's the thing that's important. Let the system learn your campaign. Let the system know. Don't try to do too much too quick. I always say Rome wasn't built overnight. Don't try to run before you could crawl. I understand a lot of people, they want it now. It's kind of like, what was that girl's name? I always think about that girl from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I want it now. I want it right now. I think I sing that to myself every single day, and I'm making fun because I'm like, there's so many people who want it now. And it's like, dang, it took me like a year or two to get to where I wanted it, where I could actually scale it up. You could make your 500 to $1,000 your first month by just focusing on these small things. You can do that. Anybody can do that. Everybody makes sales inside the eBay community. Everybody makes sales. You could do that by working it small, but let the system know who you are. Don't tweak your campaigns too much. A lot of times people would be like, hey, my numbers had dropped off or something changed. And I go into the store and I'm like, yeah, because you've been tweaking too much stuff too quick. And the system, it's an algorithm. And their algorithm AI is run off of the same things that Meta and everything else is run off of. And if anybody knows anything about marketing and doing campaigns, you don't change the campaigns and change too much stuff too quick. Let it marinate on who you are. Let it marinate who you are so it can have the strongest collectors come into your store. And then once they come into your store, they're giving you the feedback. They're seeing that you're shipping on time. You're getting the scans on your thing. These are the things that's important. Then your snowball effect gets bigger and bigger and bigger. I mean, you're talking like an average where you could get $500 to $1,000 a month. That's a car payment. Some people that might even be like close to their rent, all right, or maybe half of your mortgage. But that's all from you just still doing part time and you putting in the numbers of you starting slow because at least you're building your business up. You're building your business up on a strong foundation. A lot of times people are all over the place and they're frantic and scared money makes no money. You're just doing too much too quick. And it's like it's only been your first month. It's only been 2 months. Instead of just focusing small, 3 canvases is all you need to focus on because at least let the system understand who you are. Then 5 canvases, then 10 canvases. I have this all broken down inside the elite community, how you can do this for yourself. And I call it the 5, 10, 20. Actually, here, you know what? Let me pull this up on my screen right now because this is important. I'm pulling this up off of the community. And as long as you're being consistent and you can work it and don't overvaluate yourself. Here, I'm going to bring it up right here. This is awesome. And you know, people skip past this or they forget. This is in the community right here. This is one of the lessons that we have in many of the lessons, right? But this one right here is like the complete list. But you can see this is the universal auction schedule for all levels. 5 a day, 10 a day, 15 a day, or 20 a day. It breaks down your daily routine. If you're a beginner, 5 a day. You only need to focus on 3 to 5 a day, but don't change it up. Don't be like, all right, 1 week you're doing 3 to 5 a day. The system don't know who you are. The algorithm's not used to you. And then all of a sudden you do a 20 a day. What's going to happen? You're going to overboard the system and the system's not going to give you any sales because the system has to understand who you are to give you the right collectors, the right people to come to your store. If you're only doing if you're only doing the 3 a day to start off with to get comfortable, you only need the starter store. The starter store is $4 a month from eBay. So your startup just to have your own business, your own website, your own hosting is only $4.95 a month. So that's why I have down here consistency beats perfection. It's not about being perfect. It's not about Mona Lisa's. It's not about having the prettiest art. It's about consistency. And as long as you can do that, then you're going to win. You're going to win. Just let the system learn you. Make your additional, get the paycheck of where you're making your $50 to $100 a day. You can do that. And there we have it right there. That's the end of the video. Like I said, you don't have to be a traditional artist. You can do this for yourself. You can start making money as early as next week. You can have everything mapped out and set up for you. Click the link below. Join us in the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself. But if you're not interested, then that's fine too. Just leave me a like on this video. Let me know that you appreciate the art that we're creating and the cool stuff that we're talking about and that you're vibing with it. Hey, that means the world to me as well. All right, I'm gonna check you out on the next video.